Hi everyone, this is Deborah. Welcome back to my lapbook project. The last time we tackled the inside folders and today I'm going to be doing the outside folders. So I was filming away, but I wasn't really filming. I didn't have the record button on after I filmed that beginning piece. So now I have to catch you up with what I've done. I've taken two manila folders and these are the tabbed folders that we've got here. And I have covered them in paper. Now, sorry, before I did that, I put a score line down here, which is the width of the paper from the tab to the edge, because this is where it's going to sit. And then I glued that together, just like we did the last time. And now I've covered it with paper. So I've done half of that one, and I've got this one covered as well. And this is actually going like this, because they need to be opposite. So you need to make sure when you do it that your papers for this one, let me get that in shot, your papers for the right hand side are up the right way for the papers on the left hand side. Okay, so that's where I'm up to. And now I'll move on and do the next piece. So this is going to sit down here like that, and it's going to become a pocket, but also it will be the flap that comes back and forth. So I'll finish covering this now. This one is all done except for that flap, so I need to cover this piece here, but the rest of it is done. Just quickly cover this and then we'll move on to the next step. I don't really like that big flower, so I'm going to cut this down before I actually stick it on. Just measure it across. I used some of it before. I could use the back as well. I might use the back actually. Yeah. I use the back, and it doesn't matter if it's not up the right way then, because it's not a single, it's not directional, it's bi-directional. So I'll put this on. Now I've got both of those covered. We'll go back to the lap book itself and we'll put these in. So this one's for this side and this one's for the left side. And before I put that in, I want to put some washi on that spine with some tape. And I know I need some on this one too, so I may as well do this at the same time. And then this is going to go in here. Oh, just cut that off a bit. I'll get these done as well. I'll find the end of my tape. Is going to go here, but I'll put the paper on here first before I stick it down. Actually, it's on there that's getting annoying. Oh, it's a bit of tape. Okay, so I need to put some paper on this one. I thought we were ready to stick it in, but not quite ready. And where's this? I might have to buy some more of this. It'll be an excuse to go and spend some money. buy some more because I've used it all. I'm going to use some offcuts for these ones. Got this piece and I've got this piece here. So they'll go on top of that. Now we're ready to put them in, finally. Got this piece that's going to go here. Ah, no, I need some tape down it before I put it in. Almost ready to put it in. I'll get there. Just have to give it a bit of a push down because now it's got all that tape in there. And that tape, of course, is thicker than washi, which I didn't think about prior to doing it, did I? No. Never mind. Alright, so when we put this in, I'm only going to put some glue on the top and the bottom and the back because I want to have a pocket in here. Oh, didn't want glue there, did I? Forgot my own instruction then. Let's get that off. Now we'll put this in here on the edge. Okay. And then that will open up and that will open up, and this, when it dries, will become a pocket. I'm just going to clip it for now, make sure it doesn't come off. And then you'll have this pocket in here that you can put things in, and we'll do that later. Now I have to move all the way over the other side. It's very big, and this is going in here. Oh, hang on, let me just fold some of this up. Okay, that's better. My table's big, but I work on the side of it, so it's not quite a bit difficult to get it to all stay where I want it to stay. And then repeat. This time I won't put any down in the centerpiece like I did last time. And we'll put this on like this, just getting it up the right way, making sure I'm in position. And on the edge of that. And then I will, again, I'll clip that. I'm going to clip it folded this time so that it also helps it to fold up a little bit. And change that other one over and fold it up too. So it gets used to being folded. Okay, there you go. So that's where we're up to now. And I will be back next time with more on how to do this. I'm not sure if it'll be the last video I do, but I want to do some decorative pieces in it, so it might not be. And I've still got to work out how I'm going to put stuff on the front covers and the back cover. Okay, this is Deborah. Thanks for watching. I hope you're joining along with me as we go, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.